he said, we are, he's Víctor, José, and Nina. And today we want to start the workshop remembering about different, sorry. No? Okay. So we want to remembering some workshops that we designed with a scratch, with a snap, sorry. And for example, when we experiment with art, with a magic pencil, or creating a virtual garden with geometric flowers with Tartala Stitch. Or also in one workshop, we made a game that allows you to camouflage with the snap color, with the stage color. So with these workshops, we want to show that Snap offers you a lot of possibilities to do workshops. And today we focus on the last summer workshop. And the topic was how AI can help farmers to reduce the plagues in their fields. So to do that, the students create a program that detects insect plagues on the plants using the AI camera, and then it appears in the screen and information the farmer. At first, the students learning about plagues on the workshop and learn about the different characteristics in the information gate, and then training the AI camera, Huskylens camera, and finally coding the robot with a snap and create a program, and that Víctor are going to explain more with more details now. ¿Explicaros opinión? Sí.
No mueves molt.
Sí, los han quitado esta mañana, no sé, lo que te ha pasado.
No.
Para pasar camilla.
¿Qué quedan?
Bueno.
¿Ya está? ¿Ya? Okay. So the way it works is the robot has the ED1 board that we have made here at Citilab, and it has a program made with MicroBlocks that it's, you can see here. Okay, it's a variation of Signada, that it's a program that it's like the Firmata for Arduino, but for MicroBlocks. Okay, so this is programmed to connect to a Wi-Fi of our convenience, and this is important. The computer that it's running Snap has to be in the same Wi-Fi network. Okay, so this is the example, and sorry, maybe I can put the video, yeah, to see the steps. So the first step before connecting the robot to the Snap is to make the training to the AI camera, the Huskylens camera. So the way to train is using a button of the camera and pressing for about 3, 4, 5 seconds. This is a number that appears of the number of frames that it's taking and the ID that it's assigning to the image. Okay, so the students, when they did the workshop, so taking all the very different photos of one train for every different plug. So you can see it's assigning a different ID number, and they have to check that it's working okay. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, the camera assigns a number. It doesn't know the name, so it's a number. And next step is the connection of the board. The board displays on the screen the IP address that it's assigned to it, and you have to use this block to connect, okay, from Snap. And when it's connected, the first step is program the camera object to, classify which ID is every plug. So there are the two parts that has to be programmed: are the robot, the movement of the robot, and the camera, okay, the virtual camera. Yeah, we have to put the same number that displays in the screen of the camera, okay? And the final step is to program the robot and make it run over the field. So when it detects a plug, you can see the number in the screen of the board, and also it adds it to the stage of the project.
Okay, this workshop we did 22, yeah, for like all the workshops we do with young people, with schools and adults also. And we did more or less 300 people in schools that did this workshop. And here in Citilab we have about 100 people between 8 years and 99 years. We do some workshops for families, and in this case the public is young people and their parents or their grandparents, it depends. This is the 2022 workshop. We are doing another workshop this year. Nina says before, we are doing a workshop. No, espera. We are doing a workshop about the animal camouflage. We do it with Snap, MicroBlocks, and also in the TV set of Citilab. We have a small TV set. It allows to do programming, also media in the same workshop. And by just have an idea how it works, we have a small video that represents the activity what we do in the summer of 2022. Okay. This is the field playing out bags, and here Nina, Víctor, and myself. And this is a TV set I said before. After the workshop, the people goes to the TV set and explain what's happening in the day, and also learns how to do a small media program. Okay. And this is the result. You can see all the videos of the YouTube channel of Citilab. Okay. So, young people here. Okay, this is the idea. Do you have any questions? We will press it to answer.